So the videos I'm going to make are going to be about various topics. Today's topic is Christmas because it's so on point. But it's not like a normal Christmas message video. I kind of want to send a message out there to all those people who send messages by text and WhatsApp and Facebook and Twitter, just saying the standard Merry Christmas to you and your family. First I want to say thank you guys because I really appreciate it, but I wanted to have a little bit of a rant about those Christmas messages. It's a bit lazy for people to not bother to research their friends and know who's going to be with their family at Christmas or who's going to be with their friends at Christmas. Just because we don't handwrite our cards anymore doesn't mean that our friends' families are suddenly resurrected if they've passed away, or their health has suddenly got 20 times better if they were ill. And I think that people need to think a little bit more about that. Not everyone spends Christmas the same way. Not everyone's getting fat. Not everyone's eating out. Not everyone's doing all the things that they have on TV. Definitely, we didn't have snow here. I don't know if anyone else had snow. But I think it's unfair, for everyone to just send messages out there. Just be like, hey, Merry Christmas to you and your family. So next year, my New Year's resolution and a New Year's resolution I hope everyone will take on is to get to know our friends, maybe categorize them, friends who'll be alone at Christmas, friends who'll be doing this at Christmas, and make sure they feel good on Christmas Day. I had a beautiful Christmas. I had a great day. I had presents ages ago. I opened my presents weeks ago because why not? And I had a great day with my partner and my cat. Love my cat, love my partner. So beautiful day. My family live in another country, so obviously I was not with them, and that did not make me feel 100% happy. But it was not helped by all the Merry Christmas to you and your family messages. So next year, I will try and do that. And I hope that anyone that sees this video will try and follow suit and get to know our friends a little bit better, so that when we send Christmas messages, we send them appropriately, whether it's to your friends, your cat, or your family. Okay? So Merry Christmas from me, my cat, my partner. And hopefully I'll be seeing a lot more of you guys next year, and hopefully my subscriptions will be growing and not shrinking after this video. As I've told you already, the plan for 2014 is for me to make some actually really good videos, not just a silly short one like this, but around a few topics in terms of personal development, business development, especially when it comes to content management and content creation. And then every now and again, I always hear bits of good news, and I feel like there's just not enough good news in the world. So, I was kind of thinking that if I heard something I thought was amazingly outstanding, at least if there's 3 people available that would like to hear about it, I think I'm going to make a little bit of a video about it and share, because not enough people share good news. And if you like this or like any of my other videos, don't forget to press like and let me know so I can know where I'm going right and going wrong. And if you want to know a little bit more, or you just kind of want to see me fail at this whole thing, then yeah, subscribe and keep up with it all. Should be every 2 weeks, but I'm feeling kind of brave. I've managed to do the first one, which was not easy. I've made a few mistakes with this one already today. I filmed one for about 7 minutes. I was here filming and forgot to turn the mic on. So I hope you did enjoy it. I hope it has sound, and I hope I'll see you soon. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Bye.